G'day everyone, welcome back to Gold Shift Garage, WB Build. In this episode we're going to upgrade the shed because I was working on the bench last week and a brown snake came up, said hello to me, so scared the crap out of me really. Yeah, we never found it either, so couldn't relocate it. Yeah, so I've got a heap of shelving, so we'll try and tidy this up because at the moment, this is what I'm working with. There's all the shelving. I got that delivered from Creek Brothers out of Brisbane. 2-day turnaround. So that was pretty good. That was pretty quick. So yeah, the snake was just up there, the bastard. So yeah, we'll tidy this all up. We'll plywood along this wall. And then we'll tidy up over in the gym area. Get rid of the kids' bikes. You know, can't have enough kids' bikes, can we? Alrighty. Not a fantastic episode, but yeah, necessity for me on this one. Righto, so I was cleaning up just over here because I had the two chairs from the WB sitting up on the workbench up there, just near that bonnet. So I nearly shit myself, eh? Have a look at this. I'll spin you around and I'll show you exactly what I found up there. And this is why I'm clearing the shed out. Let's have a look. Righto, so as I grabbed that chair, yeah, this thing sprung out at me. Nah, it didn't leap out, but geez, I tell you what, it felt like it did. So she's a definite brown snake. Yeah, wouldn't know a size, but you know, big enough anyway, big enough to cause some damage. So this is the reason why we're doing the shed. Welcome to country living. It's coming along, but slowly we're getting stuff away. Got all the dash and everything now set up. Everything that I've pulled off so far is now being stacked away. Righto, well, I'll get back into it. I'll get rid of that snake skin, yeah, and keep clearing some of this stuff up out of the shed. All right, so I've got the back window glass. It's full. What are you doing, Kim? It's all spread out on the bench. So a bit of a simulation because something went wrong with the filming. So I've set it back up. I've got all the rubbers there. I've got the seals, the glass. We'll simulate it, but it's very simple. I'll spin you around. I'll show you how to do it. All right, as you can see, we've got it set up on the bench here. Everything looks as though it should. So what you do is, down here in the corner, like I just got a little screwdriver and flicked this little insert loose. And then all you do is you just go along and you pull it out. And then you can actually push the glass out of the rubber. Like, it is literally that simple. That's how it goes. So you just keep pulling this all the way along. You do it both sides. So then you go along the bottom here, pull that out, and then the glass will come out. So yeah, pity I couldn't film it, but that's how easy it is. All right, so we've got that glass out. And you know what, it actually doesn't look that bad, if it'll focus. It actually doesn't look that bad. So I'll run a wire wheel over all that. I don't think it's too bad, to be honest. I thought this part on the inside here was worse than what it is, but it's actually not. It's actually pretty good. Well, then we go to the actual windscreen. that was a mess. So it actually had a couple of cracks in the windscreen. So it made it a bit challenging to get it out. But all in all, it's actually pretty good. That looks worse than what it is. That's a lot of surface rust. But it was a bit of a job to get all the sealant. Like all the sealant off here too. Like that took quite some time. But you can see down here the windscreen itself. Mate, it's a mess. But it's out. It's going to the dump. Happy days. All right, we'll run a wire wheel over this and we'll see what rust we can find. Hopefully not much. That would be great. And then it's time for this to come out. Oh well, that brings us to the end of another episode. Actually come up pretty good. I was pretty happy with the shed. Gives a lot more room, like a lot of room for me to work in now. Instead of working over this, tripping over that, watching out mistakes. So, all right. Well, thanks for supporting the channel. If you like it, give it a like. I'd love a couple of comments. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. On the next one, we pull out the engine. Yeah, that'll be a big episode. So yeah, look forward to seeing that one. Righto, thanks guys. Catch you on the next one.